Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I gotta tell you about one of my favorite companies on the planet. Their name is H2O Capsule, and this is a bottle that they have on Amazon, available with Amazon Prime, and I absolutely love it. Now, let me tell you what just affected me. I was just at the gym, I saw an older gentleman, he passed out, paramedics came, and apparently he was dehydrated. And apparently 75% of Americans are dehydrated right now. We're drinking too much caffeine, we're out in the hot Florida sun, and we're not getting enough water. You can be dehydrated in the cold because you don't want to drink when it's cold, but guess what? You're dehydrated. So this is a great way to maintain your water. You're getting over 2 liters of water if you drink one of these every single day. This is watertight to where it's not going to be leaking. It's going to be good for the environment. And the folks who run this company are fantastic. Sarah, Mike, and the kids came up with this as a great way to keep and motivate their kids to drink water. And on top of that, it's saving the planet. Why is that? Because the average person is putting over 170 plastic bottles into a landfill every single year. But if you have a recyclable bottle, you're not doing that. Plus, you're saving your ducats. It's good on the pocketbook if you're not going out and spending on a soda every time you go out. Have a big bottle of water, drink this throughout the day, stay hydrated. It's good for your heart, it's good for your health, it's good for your body, it's good for your skin. And you know, if you're a bodybuilder, if you work out like I do, guess what? Your body's 70% water, your muscles are mostly water, and if you wanna build those muscles, drink one of these every single day. So, I'm gonna show you this up close and personal, but this is a great company. This has so many fun options. You've got a little pocket here, you can keep your cell phone in. This has a removable strap to where you can carry it around easy when you're hiking. You can go ahead and clip your keys or anything right here. You get a little lanyard type action and a bunch of different places you can hook and a bunch of different places you can hang or hold. So if you're looking for a great water bottle, one that's built to last, one that's BPA free, one that's American made, American engineered, and shipped out of the good old United States on Amazon with Amazon Prime, well, guess what? There is no substitute. Go ahead and pick up your H2O bottle and get the cool colors that you want. I know I'm simple, I stuck with black. They've got a plethora of colors. It's a veritable menagerie of different animals that you can put on there. Get yours, have fun. Get one for the kids. If you've got a teen, make sure they're carrying one of these around. Take it to school with them, and they're absolutely gonna love it. All right, folks, stick around for the up close portion of the video where I've got so much more to tell you. All right, folks, now it's time to show you the up close portion of the video. This is the premium case 2.2 liter water bottle, H2O capsule. Sleeve holds keys, cards, phone, impact resistant, lightweight, and much, much more. It says that Americans buy 50 million bottled water bottles annually and 13 per month per person. By using renewable bottles, you can save 156 plastic bottles a year. That will help you become Captain Planet and save your planet. That's right, folks. And did you know that 75% of people are chronically dehydrated, especially us who drink too much caffeine? Dehydration causes fatigue, headaches, dry skin, brittle hair, weight gain, even lead to heart attacks, folks. So let's not be dehydrated. Let's get one of these bottles. Sarah, Mike, and the kids who essentially founded this company are super sweet and super fantastic. They started telling their kids, told a story basically of, hey, you know what? You want to save the planet? You want to be a superhero? Let's go ahead and reuse our bottles. Let's get a reusable bottle. And they designed this. Now, there's so many fun colors. I like a simple black. I'm a classic simple black guy. But guess what? There's a bunch of different colors. Pick the one that's best for you. They do have the straw included. Reusable straw. We've seen about straws and sea turtles. I live here in Florida. I've seen this stuff in Hawaii. Forget the straws. Use the reusable one. And there's also this cleaning straw for cleaning out your straw. Like a chimney sweep. But yeah, what a wonderful family. What a wonderful company. And it makes me feel good. It's not like I'm supporting 3M when I get this. I'm supporting H2O Capsule, which is a family-run business. This is BPA-free. This is engineered in America, by Americans, for Americans, and I love it. I am so happy with it. Look at this. You can put your keys or your phone, your credit cards. You're going out on a hike, just keep your ID right here and your credit card. You can clip your keys to this. You've got a nice carrying handle, and they've just got smart design. Pops right up. You can have your straw right there if you want. And a good solid seal. This thing is not going to leak. So folks, my name is Adam, Elite Demonstrations. I know I tell you a lot of times about how I show you products that I love. This one I more than love. I love the company, I love the people, and I love the product. It's H2O Capsule. Oh my goodness. What's the O stand for? Oh my goodness, that's some good water. Thank you folks for being my friend. Thank you for going down that lonely road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. Now go ahead and pick this up, put it in your cart. You won't be disappointed. Thank you so much, friends, family. Love you guys. Go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.